Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tips. I want to show you how to make a cookies with no flour, no added fat, so no butter, no oil. The only thing is the fat that's already into the pecan or into the chocolates. So I have here some powdered sugar. I'm going to add some cocoa powder. Everything needs to be sifted. Okay, then after that I can put the dry ingredients like pecan and pieces of chocolates. Almost there. Okay. So the pecans are here, piece of chocolates are here, a little bit of salt, maybe a little bit of vanilla. And then this is all the dry ingredients together. I'm going to add to it some egg white. Mix that together. And add a little bit of melted chocolates. And you see, you don't need a stand mixer. You can just mix that into a bowl like that. It's very easy and very fast. Okay, now I'm going to add a tiny bit of melted chocolate, like 40 grams, just to reinforce the flavor. I put that directly on top of my scale. $35, $40. Okay, we have the recipe complete. Okay, voila. Now mix, be sure that everything is mixed well. Okay, I'm going to grab a spoon and I'm going to spoon that onto parchment paper. So that's going to take a couple of minutes. Okay, and I'm going to put that at 350 degrees. My guess is 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, so my flourless cookies came out of the oven. As you can see, they unstick pretty easily from the paper. So this one is a little bit smaller, so I'm going to keep it for myself. But those are the nice size, so I'm just going to put them together this way. Voila. And we have the flourless and no fat added cookies. It's amazing because when you think about flourless, no fat added, you're thinking, no good. Those are pretty good. Bon appétit. Happy Hanukkah.